Alicia from I.C.T company. Today we will take you to look around our soldier pads printer factory. Okay, now follow me. This area is for storage some ready shipment machine, and this model is I.C.T 6534 model. This is I.C.T 5134 model. This is our common model I.C.T 4034. We also have some large-scale machine can handle the long port PCB like the LED, LED tube, LED panel, and this model is our I.C.T 1500, can handling the 1.5 meters PCB. This area is for assembling the machine construction like this. This area is for assembling the electric box. Also, you can see there are so many printers in our factory with different size model, can handle different size PCB. Like this one is our 9065 model. This area is for storage. Some spare parts can quickly support customers. Okay, so today that's all for our soldier pads printer factory. Thanks for your watching. See you later.